Hashem depend on the level of the person. Like if it's a Torah scholar, like his way of saying is different than common people, correct?
Okay. So, that's the end of the question, or you have continuation?
Yeah. That's my other question. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just repeat the question. So the question is Kiddush Hashem equal for everybody? Meaning if a person big tzaddik, right, big righteous person, and me simple person, he did something, I did something. So on his level, it's for him is normal. For me, it's I have to overcome all of the obstacles, right? So and our sages explain. It's very interesting. They explain actually we get reward based on the obstacles, not on achievements. So how many obstacles you have to go through, like to get to this goal. Yeah. You understand? So if they decide, so that tzaddikim also have a yetzer hara. So just so you know, the higher your spiritual level is, the higher yetzer hara is, because so Satan is going to send his best soldiers. So because this person is now no longer soldier, he's like holy general. So against general, you need a general. You have to the yetzer hara is more cunning. It's not so simple as with us simple people. You understand? So it's not so easy for tzaddikim as well. Okay, they have different yetzer hara, but still they do have. Okay, so it's all based on how many obstacles you overcame to do the mitzvah. Or stay away from Avera. As we said before, it does not make any difference. You get a reward for both of them. You're not getting a reward only to put you in a situation when you might sin. That's the issue. So that's there is no reward, right? When it's famous Gemara when somebody could go do a shortcut through the street, and in the summer in a Sunday main shopping street when everybody is naked, or he can go around and it take him 40 minutes or 7 minutes go straight. So he said, I close my eyes, I put my hat on top of my face, I did not walk, right? So sages say he's Rasha. He's Rasha. Like how he did not walk, he almost hit every light pole. Like why he's Rasha? Because he put himself in that situation. Even though he did not look, he did not. But sages call him Rasha. So when a person put himself in that situation, he's not a hero. It's opposite. You understand? So if situation comes by itself, I need to go to work. That's by my office. There's a bus stop with all of these naked ladies. Of course, I'm trying to go through this door, that door, but what could I do, right? So in this case, you just turn away and you get in reward. But if a person specifically, like intentionally, go through the street, that's a problem. He's not tzaddik. He's a rasha. Okay. Any other questions? Anybody? Okay, Daniel, go ahead. Okay, no, 1 second, Daniel. Yeah, go ahead.
So Rabbi, by that the Gemara you just gave, so that means that you shouldn't put yourself also with your desires. Like you shouldn't test yourself with your own desires. Let's say, I don't know, someone for example is addicted to watching TV. You bought a house, and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna put a TV up there. For you, that's a sin, because just giving an example, like, hey, you shouldn't buy a TV because you're addicted to TVs.
Exactly. So a person must be his own rabbi, right? In this case, because sometimes rabbi knows you well, but he does not. He cannot read your thoughts, right, about this TV, right? So if you know that it's only a matter of time. So okay, I did not order cable, this and that, but it's only a matter of time when something bad is going to come up on that TV. So you stay away from all of this. We must be true to ourselves, honest with ourselves, and say this is my weakness. I'm going to stay away from it as far as possible. Is it halacha? Yes. For me, it's a law. It's a must. For others, it's not, because they don't have this desire. But for me personally, that's the biggest desire. I'm going to stay away. For me, it's forbidden even to come close. That's a personal barriers. The personal fences that everybody must build, everybody. So that's personal obligation. So we're not allowed to test ourselves. Never, ever, ever. Never, ever, ever. Why? Because who knows that just because you passed 10,000 tests previously, who said that you're going to pass this test? Right?